Hey everyone, this is Rachel and I am here sharing an unboxing of my Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit that I just received. It is my first kit and I decided to splurge and go for a $45 kit, so it's a bit of stuff. Now you might be going, well, jeepers Rachel, if it's an unboxing, why didn't you show it to us from the unboxing portion? Oh, well I did. Apparently, I was so excited at sharing it with you that I didn't actually hit the record button. I took a picture instead because I'm awesome like that. Alright, so I have seen everything in here and I do apologize for that. Nothing I can do. I can't go back in time. And Xanthi decided to investigate. So I am going to go through it again and share it with you. I'm very happy with what Christina sent me. I definitely think it is worth the money. Okay, so let's start off with my mixed media portion. That is this lovely container of Rose Gold Glaze by Vicki Boutin. It is ridiculously pretty, guys. I opened it up before. Obviously, y'all didn't see that part. Oh, no, we're not doing this, Xanthi. Come on. You can sit in my lap, but you're not going on the camera, on the table, whatever. One is the other. Okay. It is so pretty and shiny and yummy. Ah, super, super happy with that. Of course, now I've got it on my finger. All right, I'm gonna like totally destroy it before I even get to use it. There we go. Okay, so I did get a thank you card from Christina, and so you can see how beautiful and shiny and awesome is that? Okay, now let's talk about embellishments. Because I thought I was videotaping this for you guys, I did take my things out of my little bag of goodies. Of course, I'll keep this, and maybe I'll actually end up using it. I almost never do, but hey, there's a first for everything. I did receive from Chamel Box of Crayons the rotary phrase stamp. It does have some incredibly cute phrases and words on it, and I do love her handwriting. I love phrase stamps. I have to remember to use them. That's my only issue. So I will make it my mission to actually use that. So in my bag of goodies, I received these two items. It is half a pack of these epoxy hearts. These are from Pink Fresh Studio. I actually did purchase these. They're amazing, so I'm totally more than happy to have another half pack of them. They will be used, no problem. I also received the full ephemera pack from Let Your Heart Decide, and it is filled with some beautiful florals and phrases and great layering pieces for embellishment clusters. Very pleased, very pleased. Also, this didn't come in packaging, but I'm pretty sure it is. Oh yeah, because look at the hearts. It's also from Let the Heart Decide. It is the puffy stickers. They are wonderful. I'm always up for a good puffy sticker. They've got some great shapes and great words. Not easy, but worth it. Blame it on my wild heart. Really good. Okay, next up for embellishments, I did receive these green puffy alpha stickers also from Pink Fresh Studio. This one is from their The Mix Volume 2. So this is the line of basics they put out. I'm always up for a good alpha. I mentioned to Christina that I was really into all the navy that was coming out, but also this great spring green, that's also another favorite of mine, so yay. My dog is all types of running around here, sorry. All right, also from Vicki Boutin, I received this package of 3 stencils. So you get this floral one, and then butterflies, and then these wonky circles, and I am very much looking forward to using these with my Vicki Boutin Rose Gold Glaze. I think that will be fabulous. I also received from the Chamel Box of Crayons these navy glitter thicker words. Now, I'm also going to be releasing a haul video with my Chamel Box of Crayons stuff, and I did purchase these. As I mentioned in my other video, I am more than happy to have 2 of these. I adore these navy thickers. The words are incredibly usable. I will have 0 issue using both of them. Not a problem at all. I think they are lovely. Nope. I love that. I love the word nope. It's a fun word. Okay. Next up, we have the 6x6 pieces of paper that I got. Some of these are from Pink Fresh Studio, and then a couple are from Paige Evans' Pick Me Up for Pink Paisley. So we first have this one in shades of green in various stages of transparency of boxes. Very nice. Next up, we have this tone-on-tone yellow, and it's almost like a wonky scallop. So I think that's really cool. And then the third piece from Pink Fresh Studio is this one of icons and words, and it'd be great for a layering piece. I like that. All right, then from Pink Paisley, we have this ombre of pink into almost a rose. And then we have this navy with gold foil grid, but it's not, it's like a wonky grid. It's like a hand-drawn grid. So very pretty. Okay. And now we are up to my 12 by 12 papers. I'm just going to clear this out just so I have a little bit more room. All right, first up from Pink Paisley, Paige Evans' Pick Me Up, we have paper number 3. This has multicolor bows all over it. Now, the background is not solid. I don't know if this reads on camera, but it has like a very speckled background in like a light blue, or almost like a light blue or a light aqua. It's almost like those Easter eggs that are candy that they sell that have the speckles on them. That's very much like that. The B side of this is a navy with a light blue hand painted look of plus signs. Very, very pretty. Next up, also from Pick Me Up, is page number 19, and this one has the multicolored frames on the front. The B side of this are horizontal stripes of different colors, and they have the look of fishtail banners in them. Now we're moving on to Pink Fresh Studio, Let Your Heart Decide. The first paper I got in this one is Impulse. It has this very delicate floral. This is my favorite flower on this paper. I've always liked the flowers where the center of it is up and then the petals come down from it. I don't know. I'm not when I say I'm not a flower person, I like flowers immensely. I have zero knowledge of flowers other than that's a tulip. Oh look, that one might be a rose. That's it. That's all I've got. Sorry. The B side of this is a very delicate geometric pattern. I know that sounds odd to say, but it's a white and then the lines are all in a yellow, and there's triangles and almost like a chevron pattern, but it's all very light. It's very airy for a geometric pattern, which, like I said, sounds a little odd, but that's in my brain, that's how it works. All right, next up, also from Let Your Heart Decide, we have the paper Thought. And the A side here has these washi tape held phrases, and they're all like, they're bolstering is what I would say. Everything happens for a reason. A better day always comes. Seek treasures amid ruins. So it's very uplifting and, you know, hey, it's gonna work out in the end type thing. On a gray background with faux stitching. The B side is almost like a blown up take on some diagonal washi tape that's been put on a piece of paper, if that makes sense. This is how my brain works, people. Follow along. All right, next up I have the paper caper. I amused myself immensely, sorry. Which is filled with multi-size, multicolor, multi-patterned hearts. I did receive this piece of paper in my Wild Hair Kit Club. Perfectly happy getting a copy of it. Like this paper quite a bit. I'm very happy, and I like both the A and the B side. The B side is this aqua and navy circular geometric pattern. So this side is so usable for layering, and it's so in my wheelhouse for colors that I will have zero problem getting through 2 pieces of it. All right, and then from Simple Stories Life in Color, we have this paper, and it is called Coral Watercolor, Light Blue Watercolor. Shockingly enough, one side is a very dark coral watercolor, and the B side is a light blue watercolor. I know. Shocking. All right, and then finally I did get 2 specialty pieces of paper. This first one is a white piece of paper with tiny little rose gold hearts all over them. It's actually from Recollections, and it is beautiful. It is so cute. This paper to me screams either using it for my cat or my dog, which I know sounds crazy, but I love both my cat and my dog. So, and they're the girliest creatures in this house. So that's probably what it'll be used for. All right, so I have the rose gold, and then I also received the Pink Paisley Pick Me Up acetate piece. So obviously this has a white background to it, but it is clear, and then the flowers have some gold foil along with the colors of the flowers. So that is my secret, not secret, Kit Club kit. That's a phrase. Okay. That I received. I am super happy with it. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with all of these amazing papers that Christina put together for us. And I will have some videos for you with this, using this line along with other stuff I've purchased recently up for you starting next week, the week after. I'm going to a crop, so my posting might differ a little bit. All right, folks, thanks so much for joining me here. If you could flick me a thumbs up, that would be super awesome. Bye.